Welcome to the demonstration of the Hillrom VersaCare ICU Bed, directly imported by Appex Global Trading, your trusted partner and one-stop choice for premium medical equipment from the USA, UK, Germany, and Japan. As a leading supplier of advanced healthcare solutions, we deliver top-quality products from globally renowned brands, with guaranteed no prior local usage in Pakistan. Now enhancing patient care across leading hospitals nationwide. In this video, we explore the key features, advanced functions, and clinical benefits of the Hillrom VersaCare ICU Bed, a cutting-edge solution designed to enhance both precision and safety in patient care. Experience seamless adjustments with dual-side control panels, ensuring optimal patient positioning. The auto contour feature maintains posture, reducing the need for manual repositioning. Integrated scale and bed exit alarms enhance safety, while the emergency CPR lever allows quick response when every second counts. The Hillrom VersaCare Bed supports a wide range of positions to ensure patient safety, comfort, and caregiver ease. The bed's frame height adjusts between 16 inches and 32 inches, allowing low positioning for patient entry and higher elevation for caregiver procedures. Trendelenburg and reverse Trendelenburg positions assist with improved circulation, surgical prep, and respiratory support. Motorized adjustments allow independent movement of the backrest up to 60 degrees and knee section up to 35 degrees, enhancing patient comfort and support. One-touch repositioning. The auto contour one-touch feature minimizes patient slide and pressure by synchronizing back and knee movements with one touch. With side rail controls, built-in safety locks, and CPR quick release, the design supports safe and ergonomic handling for caregivers. Designed with patient comfort in mind, the VersaCare Bed reduces pressure points, promotes healing, and supports mobility. Its ergonomic design also minimizes strain on healthcare staff. Each VersaCare Bed is installed by Apex's certified biomedical team, ensuring quality and reliability. We provide comprehensive after-sales support across Pakistan. Take your ICU to the next level with the Hillrom VersaCare Bed. Feel free to contact or visit our Pakistan-based offices in Islamabad to avail our special discount offer.